Greetings, SirPlus here. Now, as you can see from the intro, next week my school will be having Halloween Jeans Day. And before you come at me with the SirPlus, you celebrating Halloween now? I thought you Jamaican. I thought you don't deal with Duppy on Halloween and all that evil stuff. It's not about that. It's about showing support for the schools activities and seeing if you can enrich the students' lives by showing teacher support. And you can't just all be academics, and you have to have fun sometimes. So the idea is here that I'm going to make a costume based on one of my favorite horror movie characters, Jason Voorhees. Yeah, everybody at St. Jago would know that. Yeah, SirPlus always dress up as Jason. So I'm gonna be I want to create a mask out of this cardboard box, and the long sides of the box I'm going to use. So the short side is going to be the mask, and the long side I'm going to make a cutlass, because Jason always have him cutlass, or as the Americans say, machete. Yeah man, Jason have him machete. So I hope to make a mask out of the cardboard. So watch me as I get creative. So you already saw that I made a mask for Heritage Month, so I'm building upon that knowledge. I think the trial and error with that mask making, I kind of narrowed down the process. This time I'm actually going to be using cardboard, so let's see how it turns out. Alright, so the cardboard, I don't like how the cardboard mask looks, so I'm gonna try out tried and tested mask making. So got our Vaseline, young ones might not know about that. Old heads, hip hop heads, you know about that. Like Vaseline in the face of black children, we shine. Alright, so that's stage one. Stage two, we got our pepper and our fillers.
Damn, Aiden, you a killer. Damn, Aiden, you a killer.
Good time to make a TikTok.
Praise the Lord.
Ha ha ha.